Alright, well it's 96 degrees out here today and it is just blistering hot, so we're going to go ahead and get the back here before the sun takes over and comes shining in. So I thought I'd just show you how we get down and get with it here. Alright, well you saw doing a little bit of work there. We got getting ready to redo the top of this thing and getting ready to do the blue pinstripe around and blend all this in. You see we've got the primer, and over here it started kind of blocking it a little bit, and you know, just kind of using a round block to get this little angle right here. And if you notice, there's a little bit of kind of some strawberry milk forming with the candy and the primer, but this is nice and smooth now. It was a hard edge that you can feel. There's a little bit right there, but I'll have to work on that a little bit more. But you know, we'll have to end up doing like we did on the hood. We'll move this line, you know, over here. It used to be up here, and probably run some 1/4-inch tape down there to create the line, and then put the pinstripe or the fine line tape on top of that. So that's what we're doing, and it's quite bright. We got some more sunbathing going on, and what we're using to do the dry sanding with are these Mirka Quicksilver 600 grit, and I think these can be used wet or dry. They're hook it, and picked up a new DA and a new interface pad a week or two ago because I knew we'd be doing this, and I had an Ingersoll Rand finishing DA, and it kind of got messed up. It got to where the speed on it wouldn't go up very high, so I don't know what was going on with that, but this is kind of a cheap one. It was like $100 or a little more, maybe 120, and seems to be working pretty good. So yep, got everything dry sanded and just kind of working our way up to this door, and we got to do it and finish blocking out this primer, feathering that edge out, and we'll be ready to move on to the next stage. So we'll come back and show you in a little bit more if we make any more decent progress. Alright, this is Jackson. He's our little neighbor lives right next door to us, and he's got a twin brother named Teague. I don't know where Teague is, but this is Jackson. Jackson, what's up, buddy?
Well, I'm just coming out here looking at the car.
You are?
Yes. The car's pretty nice.
you've seen this car since we started it, right? You remember what it used to look like. What do you think about what all that's happened to it?
Well, the motor in, you guys just painted it, let's put the wheels in, painted it everything.
Yeah,
And we got the doors painted and stuff.
it's looking pretty good, huh?
Yep.
What do you think about it now? It's all, we sanded it all down. It's all white looking. Why do we do that?
Because, we wanted the car to look pretty. You guys had to paint it, so you guys had to sand it and stuff. So
Yep.
the car really smooth.
And here's the twin brother, Mr. T.
Shooting a video.
Making a little video. You want to be on the video?
Yeah.
All right. What do you think about this car, bud?
I like it.
First of all, how old are you guys now? About 3?
7.
7? What in the world? Man, y'all have gotten big all of a sudden. I remember when y'all were born.
I'm taller than him.
Yeah, I see. He's a little taller than you.
Yeah, but someone said, when our babysitter said that who's ever smaller grows the biggest.
So in the end, so the smaller one ends up passing the big one and gets bigger? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow. All right. Well, I'm gonna watch out for you guys and see which one of you gets the biggest.
And I'm going to be bigger than him, so I'll be able to drive this thing.
Yeah. All right. Well, guys, thanks for coming over and checking us out today. We'll catch up to you later on.